Okay, this is how to reset the oil maintenance required light on a 2018 Toyota Hilux pickup. So what we'll need is ignition, and we'll need this knob here. So we'll start afresh, turn ignition on, let it cycle through everything, and then it shows oil maintenance required. So push the button to get rid of that. What we now need, you see trip A in the bottom. If trip A is not showing, keep pressing this button until trip A shows. Once trip A is in there, turn ignition off. Then you'll need to push and hold this button and then turn ignition on. And then you'll see it coming up, reset oil maintenance data. Keep holding. And then that's it. Release. Ignition off. Ignition on. And we just make sure everything's gone out. And that's it. All done.